Hey guys, Todd Ault here, Wall Street veteran. Carnegie Hall, New York, New York. One of the most famous and prestigious venues in the world. In a city known for making and breaking the biggest and most successful ideas in business. I've been part of that city most of my life, and I can tell you that Andrew Carnegie, the founder of Carnegie Hall, had it right. He said, whoever's first gets the oyster, everyone else gets the shell. Andrew Carnegie became one of the wealthiest men in America because he understood in order to be first, you need nerves of steel. He understood that his competitors were not out there waiting to share the wealth. He knew he had to be first. So when you find yourself considering options, consider this. The early bird not only gets the worm, but it kicks every other competitor's ass in the process. So listen to the wisdom of an American business icon. Andrew Carnegie's advice should become music to your ears. Whoever's there first gets the oyster, everyone else gets the shell. I've given you gold, now run with it.